This is for all of you. Okay, today we have to do your English A work. So, everyone, open your English A activity sheet box. Okay, everyone? Okay. So, everyone, should we start our lecture or should we wait? I think we should start our lecture because time is very short. And let me just, we should start our lecture. So, I'm
Okay.
going to, okay. So, okay, here we go. Okay, everyone. So, grade 4, welcome to your English lecture. And I hope it's a very lovely day. And also, let me check if anyone was entered in. Okay, everyone. So, all of you who has entered recently, please mark your attendance in your Google Classroom. Okay? Mark your attendance in your Google Classroom. So, let's start our lecture. Okay, so today we are going to do English A work that we will do read a comprehension paragraph. Okay, so that would be about learn about universe. Okay, everyone. So today our topic is the universe. We will learn about the universe and we will read the comprehension paragraph and we will do solve the comprehension also. Okay, everyone. So instructions before lesson, listen carefully and turn off your mic specially. So everyone open your comprehension activity sheet number 2. Okay, okay, everyone. Activity sheet number 2, everyone open. Sheet number 2, this page. Comprehension paragraph, the universe. Today we will read this paragraph. Okay, everyone. Do let me know when you will be open, when you would open it. Okay, so let's start reading without wasting our time. So let's start reading. After this reading, we have the question answers to solve. So we will solve question answers, and before solving the question answers, we will read the paragraph. Okay, everyone? So let's start. The universe is everything that exists. Do you know what is universe? Universe is basically where is a place where all the planets, all the galaxies, all the stars, all the things exist. Okay, planets, stars, galaxies, they all do exist in our universe, and earth is the part of universe, and earth is the very smallest part of universe. Okay, so the universe is everything that exists. The universe is also called the cosmos, and the study of the universe is called cosmology. Okay, everyone. So universe second name is cosmos. What is universe second name?
Cosmos.
Cosmos. Very good. And what, and the study of the universe, those who study universe, what they call, they are called cosmology. What this is called, the study of the universe is called cosmology. Okay, everything you see and touch on earth is part of the universe. Whatever we see on earth, whatever we touch on earth is the part of the universe. All the planets and stars in the sky, the entire solar system. Do you know what is solar system? Where our planets exist and revolve around the sun, revolve around their star. That our Earth star is sun. Okay, so this is solar system. Milky Way and galaxies are all part of the universe. Milky Way galaxies and other spiral galaxies, other galaxy, irregular galaxies, and many more are also part of the universe. Scientists use scientists use telescope, and astronauts go on space expeditions to try and discover more about the universe, but there is still so much we don't know. Okay, So scientists uses telescope to see in the sky to find out what kind of planets, stars are there, are existing in the earth. And the astronauts go on space expeditions. Astronauts go on space expedition to find out what is in the universe. So they go on rockets to find out. We all know that Neil Armstrong has gone to the moon to find out what kind of um, you know what kind of planet or what kind of star or what kind of place the moon is. What is moon basically? Is it a star? Is it like earth? What is a moon? So they've discovered what exactly a moon is. So but they okay, just we have sent lot of telescopes, lot of satellites in the universe. We have the scientists used to send a lot of satellites in the universe, but still we haven't seen lot of universe. Means we still don't know about the universe. We still don't know how long the universe is and how many things are in the universe. Facts about the universe. Let's read out the facts. The universe has no center. Okay, class. So the universe has no center. No one has turned it yet. Okay. Universe has no center. The universe seems to be cooling and may eventually freeze. Okay. Universe has no center. First fact is that. Second fact is that universe seems to be cooling and may eventually freeze. Universe is similar. It looks like the universe will be frozen one day. Big empty space in the universe are called voids. Okay, the big and empty spaces in the universe are called voids. Some scientists today think the universe is flat. Some scientists think that universe is flat, it has no center. Faraway galaxies are constantly moving further away from Earth as the universe expands. So universe is expanding and the galaxies are moving farther away from Earth and we don't know where they're going, where the universe will end. We don't know the end of the universe. The universe is huge, bigger than a billion Earths all put together. If we put billion Earths all together, still we don't know how huge the universe is. It's so big that we can't even see it. It's so big, really, it's so big, everyone, that we can't even see it. It's so big, that it takes light 8 minutes. It takes light 8 minutes travel from the sun to the earth. So it takes 8 minutes for the light to come to the earth. It takes 8 minutes from the sun. Sunlight takes 8 minutes to reach to the earth. So it
टीचर
takes
आपकी
eight
आवाज
minutes.
अटक अटक के आ रही है.
My voice, check your signal. I mean,
हाँ
check your
टीचर.
phone. Hmm?
टीचर माय सिग्नल इज फुल.
What is your full? But I think my sound is fine. It's 100%. Okay, check out whether you are able to hear it clearly or not. Then do tell me, I will do something. Okay, class. So let's read further, and after this, we will be watching a video about universe, and then you will be able to experience how expand the universe is. Okay. So even astronauts that travel to space have only seen a tiny amount of the universe. Here we are. Even the astronauts that travel to space have only seen a tiny amount of the universe. Planets and stars, galaxies only take up around 5% of space. So, planets, stars, and galaxies only take up 5% of the space, and we don't know 95% space is filled up of what kind of things. We still don't know. We still can't discover those things that has filled 95% of the space. Most of the space is empty, meaning that they are just bits meaning that they are just bits of dust and gas inside of it. So scientists believe that most of the space is empty and there is just dust and gas inside it. But we still are not sure. Scientists are not sure because they aren't able to see the whole Earth, the whole galaxy, the whole galaxies and the whole universe. They can't able to see that because we cannot go in out in the space. Scientists can only measure the size of the universe based on what they can see. Okay, we don't know what is the size of the universe. We don't know, but the scientists have guessed the size of the universe. They have guessed they have guessed the size of the universe as much as the universe they have seen. Okay, this is called the observable universe. This point is very important, that the observable universe is that when scientists are unable to see the whole universe, so they have just measured the size of the universe based on what they have already seen. And it is about 93 billion light years wide. So the universe is observably about 93 billion light years wide. Light years are a form of space measurement. So light years are a form of space measurement that we still don't know. Okay, class. So we have read the paragraph. Now it's time to see the video. After the video, we will be discussing these 6 questions and I will be telling you the answers and then you can write it on your activity folders. Okay. So let's watch the video. So class, this is about the universe. There is going to be the introduction to the universe. Okay, so they're saying that there are billions of galaxies contain countless planets and stars. So galaxies are basically when there are a lot of stars come together and they make one galaxy. And in galaxies there are countless planets and stars. And there are billions of galaxies. Okay, so there is one galaxy that name is Milky Way galaxy. That is our home, means Earth exists in the Milky Way galaxy. Okay, this galaxy includes trillion other worlds, means there are other worlds, planets, stars also that we still haven't seen it and we haven't imagined it. Okay, now they're saying that at one corner, small empty corner, there is a very precious and amazing world. Now let's see what is that world. Okay, so they're saying it contains something that in all of our searching, we have found nowhere else. So the world, the kind of existence that we have found around ourselves is basically the world that exists in the universe. That is life. Life is only found on Earth. Means only people live on Earth. I think I should. Okay, this is the sun. Okay, it would take 18 years for a jet airplane to fly to the sun. I mean, this is Earth. At third place, the Earth is, and if we send a jet airplane from Earth to sun, then it will take 18 years to reach to the sun. Okay, if we send any satellite or any plane to the sun, then it will take 18 years to reach to the sun. So this is from this time leap you can understand how far is our earth from the sun. Okay, what is it? The furthest man made object, Voyager 1, is now almost 17 light hours away. Okay, so this is a one man made object that and that some scientists have created, and that is now 17 light hours away from our Earth that we have sent in our space. This is the length of one light year, the distance that light can travel in a year. 11 light years. Okay. These are the stars closest to our solar system. This is Barnard star, Sirius star, Capti star. These are the stars that are closest to our solar system. The nearest star system, Alpha Centauri, is 4.5, 4.3 light years away. So you can see how, and light years basically are the terms that scientists uses to measure the years in the space. Okay, name stars that astronomers have studied are highlighted here. So these are all the stars that our astronomers have studied, and these stars we and the scientists know about them. You can see there are a lot of stars that astronomers have studied. You are seeing the actual destiny and location of over 100,000 stars in this view. So there are 100,000 stars in this view. Blue, okay, we missed that. Okay, all of which are in the Milky Way, which has 200 to 400 million billion stars in total. The universe is looking so intriguing that I feel like that I should go and visit it. I should go into the space and see whatever is in the space. So this is basically the life that exists on Earth. Not We don't know about other places whether the life exists on other places in the universe or not. This is basically the life that exists on the Earth. How did Earth get so many things? Okay, we have 10 minutes left. Okay, class. So, if we are going to discuss about the universe in upcoming lectures, also, our topic would be the life on Earth. We will discuss about the life on Earth, how the life started on Earth, and how does it exist, and why we haven't found life on other planets also, like Moon doesn't have any life or any existence. So we will discuss that in our further lectures. For now onwards, we should go and discuss the question answers. Okay, so let me check first. Um, okay, class. Class, did you enjoy that lecture? That video?
Yes.
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 Okay. I also really like the
Teacher,
universe videos.
attendance ले लो.
Hmm?
Attendance.
Attendance, you have to mark your attendance on Google Classroom. I have
Teacher, I will mark
posted
in chat.
I have posted the new assignment on Google Classroom, that is
Teacher,
attendance,
मैं
and
chat में
I
write
think
कर
all of
दिया
you have
attendance.
assigned in. All of you have assigned in, so I will mark your attendance. Okay?
Okay. Fatima Abubakar at Melbourne branch.
Yes, you have assigned in. Okay, class. So now let's see. Now let's discuss the question answers. Write answers of the questions on your notebook. What is the study of the universe called? Do you remember what is the study of the universe called? Do you remember?
Teacher Cosmo.
Cosmology. Very nice. The study of the universe is called cosmology. Okay. Question number 2. What are voids? What are voids? Big empty spaces in the universe are called voids. Understood, everyone? Big empty, big empty spaces in the universe are called voids. Okay, you have to write these question answers. Next, the universe has no center. Write about it. So we know that universe has no center because some scientists think that universe is flat and galaxies are constantly moving further away. Okay, everyone? Question number 4. How long does it take light to travel from the sun to the earth? Yes, class? How long does it take light to travel from the sun to the earth? How long does it take? What is the answer? It takes light 8 minutes to travel from the sun to the earth. Understood, everyone? Now, next question. What are light years? What are light years? Light years क्या होते हैं? Scientists can only measure the size of the universe based on what they can see. This is called the observable universe, and it is about 93 billion light years wide. This is your answer number 5. How much how much of space is taken by planets, stars and galaxies? Planets, stars and galaxies only take up around 5% of the space. Okay, class, how much space does it take? 5%. So, what do you want to know? Do you can take a screenshot as well of these question answers, and then you can do it. What do you think? Do you want to take the screenshot, or I should send you on WhatsApp? Yes, everyone, जल्दी बताएं, मैं आपको WhatsApp पे सेंड कर दूं कि आप इसकी
Screenshot.
स्क्रीनशॉट ले
Screenshot.
लेंगे? हाँ,
एक्सक्यूज
Screenshot.
मी टीचर, मैंने स्क्रीन शॉट ले लिया है.
ओके, वेरी गुड. अब मुतीबा, आपने स्क्रीनशॉट ले लिया ना? अगर किसी को चाहिए होगा तो
क्योंकि
आप
मैंने भी
शेयर
screenshot
कर
ले
देना.
लिया.
वेरी गुड. सो जो यहाँ पे हैं,
Okay.
those students who are here, very nice. So those students who are here can take the screenshots, and those who are not here,
जब मैंने भी
they will
screenshot लिया.
have, okay, those students who are not here, they will have the recording of this lecture. Okay, everyone? So any questions at the end that you want to ask, you can.
Excuse me, teacher.
No.
Yes.
टीचर गूगल क्लासरूम में साइन कहाँ से करते हैं?
Google Classroom means
टीचर मुझे गूगल क्लासरूम की क्लासेस नहीं शो होती.
why you are not, are you not in the group? आप ग्रुप में नहीं है?
टीचर कौन सी बुक में? ग्रुप.
आप ग्रुप में नहीं है?
टीचर कौन सा ग्रुप में?
गूगल क्लासरूम के ग्रुप्स में.
नो टीचर.
Okay. So I will make sure that ma'am will add you. Okay, class, tell me your names because on Google Classroom no one has assigned in. So you had to turn in. So first
Mutiba.
Zan Sajan,
टीचर
Mutiba,
फरूक शफाकत
Farooq
फरूक
Shafaqat,
शफाकत
Farooq Shafaqat and Fatima Abubakar. Okay, class. So I'll see you next time. The recording is, your lecture time is over. So take care. Allah Hafiz.